Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to send WhatsApp messages without adding contacts in your Android mobile phone. So how to do this? Let's start. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your Android mobile phone, and after that first of all going to your Google Play Store. After opening that, type in the search dialer for WhatsApp. Or search it, and you can see that the first application is a dialer for WhatsApp and WhatsApp enable business list. So first of all, it's application approximately 4 MB. Download it and install in your mobile phone, and you can see that this application is a excellent review. 4.4 is a rating, and 50,000 plus downloaders. So it's totally ad free application. So after downloading and install in your Android mobile phone, and after that simply click on a open button. Okay, now you can see that interface. Now you can see, first of all click these dialer pad. So simply dialer pad icon. Now click on it. Now you can see that it's dialer pad open, and select a country. Now you can see that all countries list. So I select Pakistan, and after that enter a mobile number which is want to send a message without adding contact in your Android mobile phone. So I enter a random mobile number. Okay, now you can see that when I add a mobile number, it's you can see the color is green. So after adding a mobile number, click on these WhatsApp icon, click on it. Enter a password if you have set it. Now you can see that this number chat is open, and this mobile number is not add in my mobile phone. So after that you can type a message which you want to send. So I open a thanks and click on send button. Now you can see that I have already sent one message, and after the second message, now without saving this mobile number in my mobile phone. So this is a way to send your WhatsApp messages without adding contact in your Android mobile phone. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.